Hi, thank you so much for stopping by. I made another journal, but this is a little different than what I typically make because I make junk journals. So this is more of a writing journal. And the reason why I like this one so much is because I made the cover myself, which is a skill I haven't mastered, but some people on YouTube do such a great job. So I had this cardboard box and it was white and I thought, oh, what can I do with it? And of course, making this book, and I made this cover. So I used the same theme for the scrapbook paper in the front and the back. And then I made the spine with a different color. And then I added these little flowers and then some paper flowers. And then here's a place to title the journal. Well, it's a writing journal, so whoever purchases it, they can put what they like there. I have one of these for myself when I go to work just because I'm a creative-minded person. And then the inside, I use the same type of paper. And then I painted this pink just because I had a pink identifying here. What do you call these? I forget what they're called when you mark your page. I just love the feel of the pink and the paint when it dries. It just gives a really nice texture. And then in the front and the back, which I'll show you the back, I use the same scrapbook paper, and it has really nice like sparkles to it. I don't know if you can see that. And then this is the paper. Basically, I had this paper from another project I took apart, so I probably used the cover to make another craft, and I liked how it said date here. And again, I like the way it has this little tab so you can mark your page. I don't know what they're called, but anyway, put that there. In the back, you can see here's that same paper, but this one I had extra, so I went ahead and made a little folder. And then you can see here, it's the same paper like is in the front in that paint. But that's it, short video for this little book I made. So thanks so much for stopping by again, and please like and subscribe. Have a great day.